Hello and welcome to the Kenneth for Camel Law Office Legal Podcast. We're looking at the new DWI laws and what the penalties are for second offenders under the statute. So people that have had a prior DWI within the prior 10 years. So second offenders under the new statute for offenses after December 1, they're subject to license suspension ranging from 1 to 2 years. Under the current law, it's mandatory 2 years. However, an ignition interlock device must be installed both during and following the period of forfeiture of that DWI. After they go to court. After the forfeiture is over, license suspension is over, and the defendant has received a license again, the ignition interlock device must remain installed for an additional term between 2 and 4 years. That's in the discretion of the judge. Defendants without a vehicle must serve a forfeiture between 2 to 4 years, a license suspension for 2 to 4 years. So what some of the people are going to have to do is buy a junker, put it somewhere, and pay for the ignition interlock device to be installed. However, this does not apply to drug under the influence. That's subject to the old law of 2-year loss of license. For third offenses, they're subject to license forfeiture of 8 years rather than 10 years, and they have to install the ignition interlock device for 2 to 4 years after the forfeiture suspension period is up and the license has been installed. Defendants without a vehicle must serve a additional forfeiture 2 to 4 years. And much of these statutes is going to be up in the air. We're waiting for case law by the courts. For other information on the updated DWI laws, visit website njlaws.com or website benotguilty.com. And for representation, contact Ken Verkammer's office in Edison at 732-572-0500.